Maman. Bonjour. Bonjour, mes chers amis. Today's topic is passé composé avec le verbe OR. That is the verb in AR, okay? But we are going to use verb avoir. Up here is formation of passé composé. We have sujet plus conjugation of the verb avoir or être plus the participe passé. Participe passé is what we call past participle in English. Okay. Now, because we are going to use the verb avoir today, because passé composé has two forms, is either you conjugate with verb avoir or être. But in this class, we are going to pay attention with the verb avoir. By the left side here, a verb avoir conjugated in the present tense. I will say the sujet. What is sujet? Sujet is je, tu, elle, elle, nous, vous, il avec s, elle avec s. That is the subject pronouns. Okay. Now we have conjugated the verb avoir in the present tense. All we just need to do is to add the participe passé, which I have put in the bracket here. How do we get participe passé of ER verbs? You simply need to remove the R and put accent aigu on the E. You can see it here, manger, okay? You can see also here, parler. Now, if I do it like copy and paste, so it might be very easy for you to understand. Now, look at this like this. I want to transport the verb avoir that I have conjugated here. Sorry. This is verb avoir conjugated. Okay, now I just need to take this from here. J'ai mangé. I have eaten. Tu as mangé. You have eaten. Il a mangé. He has eaten or he ate. Elle a mangé. She has eaten. Nous avons mangé. We have eaten. Vous avez mangé. You, plural, you have eaten. Ils ont mangé. The plural for the masculine. Ils ont mangé. They have eaten. Elles ont mangé. They have eaten, plural for the feminine. So the same thing is going to happen here with the verb parler, to speak. You just remove the R, then you put accent aigu, then to get the participe passé, which I said is past participle. Okay. Now I want to conjugate, copy the verb avoir here conjugated in the present tense. I paste it here, please, for easy understanding, like this. Now I want to take this again, parler, the past participle. Je parlais, I spoke or I have spoken. Je parlais. Tu as parlé, you spoke or you have spoken. Il a parlé, like this. Il a parlé, okay. Elle a parlé. Nous avons parlé. Vous avez parlé. You, plural, you have spoken. Here we have ils ont parlé. They have spoken, the masculine, plural. And here we have elles ont parlé for the feminine, plural. This is how to conjugate passé composé ER verbs with verb avoir, the auxiliary verb avoir. In the next class, maybe we are going to do the one with the verb être. Okay. So the next slide is activity, so you can be able to understand it very clear. Yes, dear students, like I said, we are going to do some activities in order to be able to understand passé composé with ER verbs very clear. Here is exercise. Instruction goes like conjuguer ce verbe au passé composé, meaning conjugate these verbs in bracket voyager, discuter, organiser, expliquer, téléphoner. Au passé composé, we have to conjugate them in the passé composé. And the rule is we are going to conjugate either verb avoir or être. But remember, we are dealing with the verb avoir and only with er verbs for now. So here is verb avoir conjugated in the present tense. Okay, so let us do this activity. Now, the formation is avoir plus the past participle of the verb to be conjugated. So here we are going to have the first sentence. Tu dash hier. Passé composé voyager is what? Traveled. Verb to travel. Tu as voyagé hier. That is what the sentence wants to say. Tu as voyagé hier. Did you travel yesterday? Or you traveled yesterday? So, tu as, we have to put first here. Tu as. Then how do we get the participle passé of these er verbs? We simply have to remove the er. Okay. Sorry. We have to remove the er and put e accent aigu. Now for that purpose, I have left one e accent aigu down here, so it can be easier for me. So here we are going to put e accent aigu. Okay. So it's going to be tu as voyagé. Tu as voyagé. Tu as voyagé hier. Did you travel yesterday? Okay. Now the only change is that we have to remove the er from the original verb, put e accent aigu in the front of the verb avoir. You can see it here. Tu as voyagé hier. Did you travel yesterday? Now the next one is discuter. Okay. Now les élèves, the pupil, the students, dash la leçon. We have discuté. It wants to say that the students have discussed about the lesson, okay, about the class. So les élèves here is in the plural, so we should be looking at ils ont, elles ont. So we are going to have here les élèves ont discuté. Now discuté, remember the rules. We remove the er. Remove the er. We put e accent aigu. So we're going to have here les élèves. A minute, please. Les élèves ont discuté la leçon. The students have discussed about the lesson. Okay? Les élèves ont discuté la leçon. So that is passé composé. The next one, the third one is mes amis et moi, me and my friends, mes amis et moi, dash une belle fête d'anniversaire. Dash une belle fête d'anniversaire. We have in bracket organiser. That is to say, me and my friends, we have organized a beautiful birthday party, fête d'anniversaire. So, mes amis et moi, because of moi here, which is I am in verb of mes amis, it means we. So we should be looking at nous avons. Okay? So here is going to be mes amis et moi, because there is comma also, we should say nous avons, sorry, et accent aigu. So we're going to have mes amis et moi, nous avons organisé une belle fête d'anniversaire. Ok, nous avons organisé une belle fête d'anniversaire. We have organized a beautiful birthday party. So the fourth question here is je. We have first person pronoun here. Mon projet à toute la classe. In the bracket we have expliqué. Okay, it means I have explained my project to all the class. So we should have j'ai J'ai. Now bring down expliquer. Expliquer. Remember we have to put E accent aigu here. So I want to take E accent aigu. J'ai expliqué mon projet à toute la classe. I have explained my project to all the class. Okay? And the last one, il dash ses parents. Il dash ses parents. Okay? Téléphoner we have in the bracket. You want to say he has called his parents. So, il a, we are going to start with il a. Il a téléphoné. Please, because of accent aigu there, I have to copy it from here. Téléphoner. And here, accent aigu, remember also. Il a téléphoné ses parents. Il a téléphoné ses parents. He has called his parents. Okay? Please, this is how to change a sentence into passé composé for ER verbs. Okay? I believe with this small example you should be able to understand. But if you still have a doubt, please put in the comment section. Otherwise, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Merci et bonne journée.